it's Gauri and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I am super excited and thank you for coming here.
So in this channel, we're basically going to do some really fun and simple DIYs as well as some other arts. And we're also going to be talking a little bit about lifestyle, fashion, and entertainment.
This first DIY is a super easy and cute watercolor piece that you can hang anywhere in your house. And you don't even have to be artistic for this, because it's that easy. Here are the following materials. You'll need one canvas, some watercolor paints, some tape and scissors, and napkin, water, and paintbrush. Okay guys, the first step is to cut the tape in several thin pieces. Next, place some tape strips around your canvas so the paint doesn't leak. So the next step is to place your tape strips in any pattern on the canvas, but make sure that the ends of the tape are either touching another piece of tape or the edge of the canvas in order to avoid any gap in your painting. Next, grab your watercolor paints and start painting on the white gaps in your canvas. You may choose to blend colors together, but in my case, I'm going to be painting with a single color per gap. Now once you've let your paint dry, be sure to remove each piece of tape. Here's a little montage of how mine turned out. In this next DIY, we're going to transform an old boring pillow into something super fun and cute that you can place anywhere. Here are the following materials. You'll need a sheet of green felt, a pillow. Try to use a pillow that has a plain side, scissors and hot glue gun, and colored pom-poms. Start by choosing a pom-pom of any color and put a dab of hot glue on the back. Place this pom-pom wherever you like on the pillow, but preferably not on the edges as we're going to be making a flower around it. Next, get another pom-pom of that color and again put a dab of hot glue on the back and place it around your middle pom-pom. Complete this process until you have completed your flower. Once you've completed a flower, choose another color and do the exact same process. Next, get out your green felt and start tracing leaves on it, either with a pencil or a pen. And make the same amount of leaves as the number of flowers that you're going to include. You can have multiple different sizes for your leaves to create variety in your pillow. Some big ones, some small ones. Next, put a little bit of hot glue on the back of the green leaves that you previously cut out. Put one green leaf next to each of the pom-pom flowers. Here's how mine turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button below. And if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button as well. And if you have some specific suggestions of what you want to see next, comment below in the comment section and I'll be sure to get to you. See you next time. Bye!